Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Spooky and I'm really excited to share with you today another thrift haul video. On Sundays, my favorite off store does this thing where you can fill a bag from the discount section for $4. So all of the clothes I'm about to try on were all for $4. So stay tuned. So here's the bag of stuff I got, and I'm going to show you how much stuff I got as well. Here's all the stuff. Okay, let's go. First up is this top that used to be $3, and it's just like a really basic singlet. Next up are also these pants, which are like $4, and I totally thought that they were gonna fit, and I totally just bought them for fabric, but when I tried them on they fit fine and it's really good. So yeah, these first, and maybe another shirt. This one kind of might be see-through, I don't know. Yeah. So here it is, just like a really basic white singlet, but I just never really had one before this, so it's really useful. And these really cute pink pants, they like zip up the side and they have like little belt buckles and stuff, so yeah. Cool. Hi! Oh, look at you. Oh, you wanted attention. You're stinky. You're stinky. There you go. Okay, so next up I had this orange top that was $5, this white see-through top that was also $5, this sort of like peachy see-through top that is like $4, and this pink see-through top that was also $4. I'm wearing all the see-through ones together on top of this orange shirt and the same pants. Okay, bye. And now I'm going to try on the first see-through tank. Okay, so this is a cute white see-through tank top thingy. I don't know, I like it. I like the white and the straps and it's cute. Okay, cool. Okay, so here's this sort of dark peachy tank top. It's like see-through and kind of mesh, and it's really cute also, and it's good, and A+, I love it. Okay, bye. Here's the last see-through tank. It's pink and it's like a netting material, and it's cute and I like it also, so yes, this is good. This is the last see-through top, but it's not the last see-through thing. This is the perfect segue to dresses, because the next thing is a see-through dress. Yay! I think this dress was like $4. Cool. Okay, so this dress is like a mesh see-through pink with like polka dots all over it, and it's really cute and I like it lots, and it gives me like Stephanie from Lazy Town vibes, except for that it's dots instead of straps, but it's still cute and I still think she would wear it. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Hi, it's me, Stephanie. You want to know what I love to do? Check it out! I try and try, there's always a way. I love to dance with you every day. See you soon!
Next items we have is this dress that was $7 and this jacket that was like $2 or something. Yeah. Okay, so here's the dress all on its own. It's really pretty and it's really flowy and it's like peachy pink or something. I don't really care what the color is, but it's really long too, like it's dragging all over the floor. Even when I'm on my tippy toes, it still like drags on the floor. So yes, it's really cute, and it has these really pretty straps and the spaghetti straps, and they cross at the back, and yeah, I just think it's really nice and I love it. Yeah, I originally got this just for the skirt. I was gonna make it into a skirt, but I like it as a dress too, and I can still wear it as a skirt if I want to. And so here it is with this jacket. I really only got this jacket because I want to cut the arms off and make a vest out of it. So pretend this is a vest, and it's just, I don't know, it'll fit good as a vest, and it's just going to be a vest in the future. So I think we're at the last two items, but one of them is my favorite. First off, we have these really cute little shorts that were $2, and this shirt that was also $2. But this shirt is my favorite thing I got all day, and I'm really excited to try it on for you. Cool. I'm really excited. So the shirt still has the tag on, and it's actually one of those crazy shirts that looks like it's 2 shirts, but it's not. And usually I hate those shirts like with a passion, because I want the 2 shirts, because I was hoping to get the 2 shirts. But I'm still gonna like cut this like blue one out and make it a shirt anyway. So yeah, you'll see in a second what I mean. They're cool. Okay, so here is the last outfit and the last 2 items, and my favorite top ever. So first off, these shorts are really soft and silky, and they're like grey leopard print or whatever. They're just pajama pants, but they're cute. I'll wear them all over the place. Anyway, this top is so cute, and I don't know, I'm just obsessed with it because I love like the square neck and stuff. It's really cute, and it has like a place for like laces. I couldn't find a lace, but I'll find a lace one day, and it'll also look extra cute. And I'm definitely still gonna separate them because there's this blue like tie-dye bit that's really cute, and I can't wait to see them separated because they'll look even cuter separated. I love these weird little splits, and the sleeves are actually all poofy, and I don't know, it's just so freaking cute. I don't know, I love it so much. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry, but yes, definitely cannot wait to see this shirt undone, like separated from each other and like tied up here properly. It's gonna be amazing. And this is probably my favorite outfit, even though they're not technically outfits. They're just a way for me to show off the stuff that I got in my bag for $4. Okay, I got 11 items in my little bag today, so that's 11 clothes for $4. There will be some math here. I can't work it out right now. It's too hard. I'll figure it out soon. Mostly because my battery is dying and I have to film my outro. So I added all of the price tags together, so if they weren't in the discount section and if they didn't go into my little $4 bag, they would have all come together for a total of $35. And here's more maths. So yes. Okay, thank you. I love you again. Goodbye. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. This has been all of the things that I got in my bag for $4 for thrifting. Thrifting is so much fun, and it's important for the environment, and all of your clothes will be unique and cool and stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Comment down below your favorite thing that you saw this time, and your favorite thing you thrifted recently, and if it was a good bargain and stuff. I love to see it. Show me it. You can send it to me on Instagram at blood.moths, and I can't wait to see your next video, and next thrift video, and hear all my other thrift videos, and I love you all. Come back soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
I'm brave. I'm a brave president.
You can send it to me on Instagram at blood.moths. I ran out of air. Hi, I love you. You want a snack? Hello, my name is Spooky, and all of the clothes you're about to see in this video were thrifted for $4 in a little bag. On my tippy toes, it still touches the ground. The my cat wants to go outside, but no. 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 It's perfect. Oh my god, fucking idiot. I'm an idiot. Raven! What are you doing? And